Good morning, Sabah Bakhair, Guten Morgen, Assalamu alaikum from Paris, France. I have one thing on my agenda and one thing only, which is to visit Disneyland, and it is a pretty big thing in itself because I've never been there before as well, but I saw it on Google Maps and it's huge, and there are a lot of rides there, a lot of stuff to do, which I will probably be exploring as well. First thing would be how to get there. From my hotel there is an M6 that takes me to Nation. I think that's how you pronounce it in French as well. From Nation there is an A1 train that takes us from there directly to the Disneyland. So let's see. So apparently drone is not allowed inside the Disneyland. उन्होंने मुझे सिक्योरिटी पर रोक दिया था कि भाई इसे कहीं रख के आओ. I have already checked out of the hotel and I took a train, so that was not an option. But now I have learned that if you bring something that is dangerous or not allowed in the Disney World, like a drone or maybe even like a luggage bag that you really don't want to carry, you can hold that in the locker boxes at the station. तो एक तरह से अच्छा ही हो गया, उन्होंने मुझे रोक दिया. मैं वहाँ रखा हूँ अपने बैग चेक वगैरह सारा कुछ, अब इजी होके घूम सकता हूँ. इतनी एयरपोर्ट में सिक्योरिटी जितनी डिज़नीलैंड में है. अभी दूसरा दो चेक्स पास किए हैं, नहीं 3 चेक्स पास किए हैं. chaotic at some points. एक बाजी भी होश हो गई थी लाइन में, और एक दिन गुजारने के बाद पता लगता है कि डिज्नीलैंड में जो लोग काम करते हैं उनकी हिम्मत है।